Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. It's been more than a year since the collapse of Fly Jamaica Airways, and passengers are still waiting to receive their refunds. Some of them now considering taking legal action, but at the same time hoping that the government will help them to defend their rights. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
This is how it started.
We purchased the ticket on the 5th of November. I believe it was 2 days after we heard about the accident. I got an email from them saying that I should come in and apply for a refund. I think that was about 2 weeks after. I went there and I applied for my refund. They said it would take 8 weeks. And it's been a year now.
Now the passengers have only one request.
We need communication. That is the problem. Even if the promises won't be fulfilled, because that is what we have gotten a lot of promises before. So even if they are not going to fulfill the promises, keep us up to date on what is happening. We need to know what is happening. We need our money.
They're hoping that the government will help them, but after contacting the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, those aspirations appear to be less likely.
I believe that there must be something that maybe the Jamaican government can do for the Jamaican people so that we can get our money from Fly Jamaica. It's a private airline, so there is nothing that they can do about it. So we would have to file a class action lawsuit against them.
In the meantime, the passengers say they would never consider traveling on the airline again, even if it is able to bounce back from its financial woes.
It's the first. I've used that airline and I won't do it again.
I used it before, but I wouldn't do it again. Wouldn't do it again. And if somebody else should take over, I wouldn't.
Just 2 weeks ago, Fly Jamaica sought bankruptcy protection from its creditors in an attempt to stay in business or find a buyer. In July, the airline announced that it would resume operations by September under new ownership. However, that resumption never materialized. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
And stock trading ended the shortened week with just the JC index down more than 2,000 points. The junior market, on the other hand, gained 69. Among the top performers were Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, G West Corporation, Jetcon, Lasco Distributors, and Lasco Financial. The worst performers were Pulse Investments, Express Catering, Blue Power, Paramount Trading, and Medical Disposables and Supplies. Currency trading ended with the US dollar selling for $132.44. The Canadian dollar is going for $102.47. The pound cost $170.43, while the euro sells for $146.15. And that's Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.